So, hello everyone, good morning! So, these days has been absolutely unforgettable and I have to share it with you guys. You know me, I'm a pretty boring person, char. No, I'm not. I love my quiet time and I'm just happy being myself. But when best friends came into my life, everything changed. I feel so fulfilled and these are truly the best moments of my life. Actually guys, I have two vlogs I want to share with you. The first one is our Bactas experience and the second one is my core moments in the beach with Ray and Daisy. So guys, let's jump into the first one. Our Bactas experience was all about walking and more walking. We didn't have any money for transportation, so we just decided to just walk home.
Drink my troubles away, one more glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not.
Hi, for today's video we're going to Bactas. Yeah, Bactas. Yeah. So we are here. We are here in the Basod ba? Basod ba? Hi! Patingin! Patingin daw po.
Wow! Naminay! Ngango!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi! So we're going to uwi na because it's too... Anong oras na ba? Because we're going to Bactas. Kasi magagabihan kami to... Just scared.
Oh my god!
So... Oh my gosh. Oh my god, there's a man carrying a pala. So, pala talaga, pala. So, hi to all of you. So, we're going to Bactas now. Yes. Because we have no money and we are poor. We are poor people that live in Barangay Crabtapan, Artichi, Eastern Samar. We are going to Bactas now because we are no local money. No local money. Yun yung moon. Sure! Many people wreck their lives. Tiffany, please. What? You're not allowed to speak in Waray or Tagalog. You speak in English. Sure, guy. Girl. Please. Because in our society, we need to comprehend our bakit ako punta doon mamaya? Because in hi. By the way, this is Maria Clara Arabao Omar Isil. Please just call her Maria for short. And the second one is Jonalyn Obon. And her short, just call her Jonalyn or Bibing. Let me see. I want to see my face. And yung naghahawak naman po ng cellphone is Kim Aldrin Katuday. For short, here His name or nickname is Jumong.
So ngayon guys, may kababalaghan na nangyayari ngayon sa amin. Ang kababalaghan na ito na aming tatahakin ay nakakatakot po. Ayan. Pa. Oh. Don't speak in Tagalog pala ngayon. I'm so sorry. Don't speak in Waray or Tagalog. Speak in English because in our society that is required to our natural speaking. Nandito na yung sundo namin. Bilis. Pwesto. What?
Sandrila. No, it's too late.
So ayun guys, nandito kami sa creepiest part of the...
Maraming nangyari sa
So guys, nandito kami sa aming cementerio. So ayun guys, take a look at our cementerio. Grabe talaga guys, so walang katao-tao. Ay, mga patay na mga yan sila.
Super Jack. And this is MC for sure, Maria Clara. And this is also... Hi guys. Salita ka naman.
Hi guys. For today's video, we are going to buy all our snack. Hello. So, let you introduce my friends. This is my Maria Clara, for sure MC, or this is this is Janaline Avon, or June for short, and Kim Allen for short. And it's Ki Harriet Pinangay, and this is Gian Ja Boys.
Send you a bouquet, saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away, but my glass of champagne, and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not